So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to block someone on Instagram. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your accounts. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your Instagram account. Now to block someone, you can simply tap on message icon or your profile icon. So I am teaching you how to block someone on message from message. So tap on message icon, which is available on the lower bottom of your screen. So tap on it. Then here you will see message, so tap on the person whom you want to block. Then you can simply tap on person's name, which is available on the top left corner of your screen, so tap on it. Then you can simply tap on options here. Then you can see the option of block and tap on it. Then you can confirm it by tapping on block and report. Once you tap on block, then this person will be blocked for forever, and even you can unblock him by just tapping on unblock icon. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.